In this video, I will show you how to start dropshipping in the USA from India. So if you are from India and you want to start dropshipping inside of the USA, in this video I'll show you every single step that you need to take in order to start dropshipping and start getting sales on your products. So first, of course, you will need to have a place where you can create your website. And for dropshipping, the most popular place to do this is Shopify, and in my opinion it's also the best. With the link down in the description, you can get a free trial, and on top of that you will get your first month for only $1. So this is really cheap. So go and click on the link down in the description and then click create store. So now it will be building your store automatically. In the meantime, we are going to find a product on AliExpress that we want to dropship. So the best products are either product with some kind of a wow factor or products that solve a problem. So for example, this right here could have a wow factor, so it's this car light, but for example this shaver right here could be a problem solving product. So personally I like to source my products from AliExpress, and I recommend you do the same since it's very cheap and they have a lot of different products. So some products that have been doing very well recently are products like this. So this is a massager, or for example you could even dropship something like this, because then when you are actually marketing you have a very specific audience, so it's people who have the problem that is shown right here. Now a product that I would like to start dropshipping is a scalp massager. So right here you have a couple of products, and these are scalp massagers. So what these do is that they massage your head basically. So let's say I want to dropship this one right here, then I'll just open up this product, and this one has very high quality pictures, which is important if you want to start dropshipping them. And now what we are going to do is use this app right here called DSers. So DSers is a free Shopify app that will help you with ordering the products from AliExpress and shipping it out to your customers automatically. And you can use this completely for free. So I'll also leave a link to DSers down in the description. So first what you want to do is go and create your account with Google, for example. And now here just select Shopify and click link and authorize a Shopify store. So now make sure that you have a tab open where you have your Shopify account and store open. And then once you click on install right here, it will open up Shopify automatically. And now you simply want to click install right here, and as you can see, this is a great app. It has nearly 24,000 reviews with exactly 5-star rating. So then click install right here and confirm by clicking install again. And now here, go and click on confirm. So here you will now see DSers pricing. Simply click on the get started in the free plan and you will get everything you see right here. And this is completely free. So click get started right there. So now we want to go and link to a supplier, and we are going to dropship from AliExpress onto Shopify. So click AliExpress here, and then you need to log in to your AliExpress account. So click login right there. So go and enter your email and password right there to your AliExpress account. If you don't have an account yet, you can really simply create an account in the top right there. So then after you sign into your AliExpress account, you will come into the DSers dashboard right here. And basically what DSers will do for you is that they will take care of the shipping of the products for you. So instead of going to your Shopify store, checking out your orders, getting the addresses of your customers and manually ordering everything from the supplier, you can just do that automatically for free using DSers. So this will make the order fulfillment much easier. So now we are going to head over to Shopify again. Now what we are going to do first is to create our product on Shopify. So go to products right here, and now what we want to go and do is click on add product. Now here just add the title and description for the product. So for me it's this one right here. So for example I will just name this silicone scalp massager. So now you want to add a description. You can also use AI to write this, but make sure this is a very good description and easy to read with some bullet points so that your conversion rate goes up. You can take inspiration from the description on AliExpress. So here are some key features. I wouldn't copy this because this doesn't look very good. So just go and write a high quality description. Now for the media right here, that's basically the images. So for this you can simply take the images from AliExpress. So just take images like these and take a screenshot of them, and the AliExpress seller doesn't mind because you are just selling their product. So for example you can take all of these pictures right here and then just go and upload them right there. Now next up we are going to add the pricing. So first you want to check out the pricing here. So here it's €2.75. So let's say that we want to sell this for €10 and a compare ad price of, for example, €17. And the cost per item for us is €2.75. So I will enter that right here. Now here for the inventory, you want to select DSers fulfillment service. So next up here you need to enter a SKU, and this must match the SKU used in the DSers fulfillment service. So I'll show you how you can set this up. So SKU is a stock keeping unit. So this is basically a way to identify the product. So for example here, I'll take each first letter of the title here, so S, S, M, and I will say 1, 2, 3. So then I will also add this in DSers, and I'll show you how you can do this. Now for the shipping, make sure you set it to this is a physical product. And now one important thing for me is to add variants. So as you can see for me right here, there are a couple of different colors. So to add variants, click add options like size and color. And for me it is a color. So for example right here, this could be the pink one, then the blue one, then the white one, etc. So for example, if you name this one white, and I click done, now you can add more variants right here. So I'll also add in a blue one, and you just want to do this with every single one of them. So then once you have added in all the details for your product, you can click save, and you can also do the product organization right here. So then click save right there, and now open up DSers, because here now we are going to add in our product. So go to my products here, and then click on import Shopify products. Now here you will see the product that we have added to our store. So for me it's this one. So now go and click on import. Now the products have been imported successfully, and when you go to my products now, you will see them right here. So right here you will see that currently it is unmapped, so you need to go and map this. In order to do this, click on this icon right here, which is the mapping icon, and here you're basically going to add in some details. So here you want to add the supplier. So the supplier is from AliExpress. So now what we are going to do is take the item link right here and just upload that right here. Now here, go and click on OK. So now you will see the product right here. And now here, click on Map Supplier and select Main Supplier and then click Confirm. So now this is the supplier right here. So now if you have multiple variants, which I do have right here, as you can see I have this white one and this blue one, you need to select options and variants. So for the options, select the color here, and then for the variant, just select the one that it is. So this is the white one, which is the one right here. And now here you just want to go and choose every single color. So I accidentally put color twice, but you just want to put under color, you want to put every single one of them. So then it will match up. So now you can click on save, and it has been saved. Now I do recommend to turn this right here on. So turn on to activate the basic mapping method. So right here you can go through every single one of these categories and make sure it's all correct. So then right here in the unmapped section it should say 0, and in the AliExpress section it should say 1. And by the way, on AliExpress, when you are picking the product in the top right where it says ship to, you want to select United States because we want to dropship to the United States from India. So now here you will also be able to see the cost and the stock. So the stock is currently 3,176. So then you know that there is plenty of stock. Now once you click open in store right here, you want to make sure that it goes to the correct product. So for me it goes to the correct product, and that is very important because if that is not the case and it goes to the wrong product, then they will actually ship out the wrong product to the people who order from your website. So make sure that is correct. So now what we can go and do is go to Shopify right here and set up our store. So we have now added our first product, and when we click on preview here, you will now see this product. So now I have added these colors under white, and now when I go to DSers and go to mapping, you will see that now I need to also set up these variants. So for the blue one I need to select the blue thing here, and for the black one I need to select the black one, and I click save. So I've now uploaded these images of the product right here. And now I'll just save this product. And now once you have saved this product, you can click preview right there. And now you will see what it looks like. So right here you will have the product pictures. Now you need to make sure these are high quality. And then you will see the name of the product, the price, and the color right here. So I have white, blue, and black, and you can see those right here as well. So now people can click add to cart and buy it now in order to buy this product. So what you want to go and do first, because this does not look very good yet, you want to go to your online store here. And now you can also choose a different template if you want. Personally I like this one, so I'll click add right there. And while this theme is being added, there is one thing that I do recommend you do. Go to add apps right here and then open up the Shopify app store. And there are a bunch of apps here that you can use in order to increase your conversions and to make your store look better. So what I recommend you do is to import AliExpress reviews. So for example, this app right here is pretty good for this. It's called judge.me, and with this app you can simply import the reviews, as you can see right here, directly from the AliExpress product onto your Shopify store. So this will make it look a lot better. So I do recommend you do this. So now I'll go back to my store and click on publish right here next to the theme, so that this theme will then be added to my store. So now you want to go and click on customize, and here you can now go and customize your store. So for example, you can go and upload your own logo, and this is a really easy drag and drop editor. You will already also see the products right here, but the main thing that you want to go and edit is your product page. So go to products right here and then select your default product. Now here you will see your product page. So this is where you actually want to lead your traffic to. So in order to go and edit this, it's pretty simple. Just go and click on anything. For example, if I want to change the title right here, then it will open up the title, and now I can simply go and change this however I want. So I can write something else, for example, or right here, for example, the colors are in pill shapes. You can also do drop down, and then it will be like this. As you can see, now I prefer this, but you can simply go and change everything you want. So when you add that judge.me app, you will be able to show the reviews here as well, and that will also improve your conversion rate. So now people can actually click add to cart or buy it now, and then they can go and buy it from your store. And once they do, here is what you need to do. First, right here under orders, you will see the order for the product. So people will have, for example, bought this product right here for €9. And when they do that, the orders will show up right here, and then they will also show up right here in DSers. So you will see your open orders right here, and under your open orders you want to click AliExpress, and here you will see the current state. So you have pending, awaiting order, etc. So once it's awaiting order, DSers will go in and fulfill the orders automatically. So the orders will show right here, and then DSers will just take care of the order fulfillment automatically for you. So all you need to do is basically market your products. Now when you are marketing your products, most people either use TikTok or Facebook. For a product like this, I would use TikTok because you can make some pretty viral TikToks, and I have seen TikToks promoting this actual product. Now if you want to get started with actually promoting your products on TikTok and launching ads on TikTok, I'll leave a link down in the description that will take you to TikTok for businesses, and what you can actually get right there is that they will match your ad spend all the way up to $1,500. So that can really help you out when you are launching your store and just trying out TikTok ads. So just go to promote your store, and once you get some orders, you will make money, of course. So to make sure that you are dropshipping to the US, just set your ad location to the US, and then they will only be shown to people in the United States. So of course you can also do this from India. So just follow the steps I showed you in this video. Create a Shopify, DSers, AliExpress and TikTok for business account, and go and create your store, find products, add them to DSers and market your products. So now you know how to start dropshipping in the USA from India. Again, I will leave links to all the tools mentioned in this video down in the description. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.